Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can install Uno application on your iPhone. First of all, open up your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. In the search box, type in UNO and search. From the search result, look for this application that says Uno from Mattel 163 Limited. Click on the Get or the Install button and wait for the application to download onto your device. Uno is now available as a mobile app, allowing you to take the classic card game with you everywhere you go. Some of the features of the Uno app is classic gameplay, custom house rules, playing with friends, 2 versus 2 modes, and World Series tournaments. Whether you are a seasoned Uno player or new to the game, the application offers something for everyone. Wait until the application download percentage is full and hits 100, and you will then be able to launch open Uno on your iPhone. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch open the Uno app on your iPhone, and that is how you can easily download Uno. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.